Okay, so I'm going to be replacing this wheel valve because it's been kind of leaking. So the first thing that I need to do is turn off the water. So you just turn this to make sure the water is off. And then lift up the lid. And then empty out the water. You hold the lever, so make sure that all the waters are out. And once that's out, well, make sure you have a little bucket or like a rag or something. You just turn this valve this way. It's tight. So when it's tight, just use something like this. You don't recommend using this unless you have to, but just kind of turn a little bit, and once. Okay, that's not a lot of water here, but the next part we have to turn this lock nut. This will come off. So before we do that, make sure we take out this clip. Okay, the lock nut came off, and then the fuel valve. So that's where the bottom is, and you just need to turn this left side like this, and make sure the height is about the same height. So from the bottom to the top. Okay, that's about the same height now. So, got a new lock nut. Put this in. Make sure the hose, it goes to that way. So that's pointing that way, and the height difference should be about 3 inches. So that looks about right. So, okay, that's locked. Okay, so that's good. Connected. Okay, that's good. Should go here, and this securely. And then since this is too long, I would need to cut it about here. So make sure to cut it straight, about that much, and then put this back in there. Make sure it's all secured, it's not touching anything. So everything looks good so far. So I'm just gonna turn on the water. Okay, make sure there's no leakage in the bottom, and the water is filling. The water level should be about 1 inch or half an inch from the top of this overflow pipe. Okay, so that looks about perfect. So everything's working fine so far. So we're gonna make sure we're flush and everything works fine, just as it should. Okay, that looks good. So it's all done. Now, just in case if the water level is too low or high, you can adjust the tank water level. There's a plus sign and minus sign. If you turn this way, it'll go down, and if you turn into the plus sign, it'll come up a little bit, so you can adjust the water level. And other than that, that's it. It only took about 10 minutes.